Hey people, this is my child, and we both always like to do these recordings of different products.
Yeah.
So Ayush, this is Wow skincare science. This is body butter. So can you take some and apply it to yourself and tell us how it is?
Okay.
See, this is how it looks, and it's like really good. Ooh, does it feel nice on the
Yeah, it feels nice.
Yeah, so really, people, this is Wow Skincare Vitamin E Body Butter, and it really kind of, it has this way of making us feel good, really. So I can't recommend this enough. You can find it on Amazon. Vitamin E Body Butter, Wow Skin Science. So Ayush, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Really? So that is very good. You can apply it on your hands, feet, because it's quite a good quantity, because this is 200 ml, and yeah. So I'm really looking forward to using more of Wow Skin Science products. So on that note,
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
yeah.